In this video, I'll show you how to print in Canva. When your Canva design is ready, just click Share button and now click Download button, and here you will see a lot of file format available, but you need to go or select only one file format. This is PDF print. If you select PDF print, this version is specially designed for Canva design print. You will get high quality printed version if you only select PDF print. Now click the download button and it is downloading with high quality. If your design is ready, now click open button and your PDF is ready to print. Now click the print button and from here select your printer. So you will get your printer option available in here. And after selecting your printer, now you can also customize your color or other stuff. Now just click print button and your Canva design will be printed with high quality. So that's it. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please throw a comment below. I will check every comment and reply one by one. Thanks again.